We, Megan Moore,
and Rumi Mitra
are presenting our authoring tool, Techie Tailor, for our advanced computer graphics class.
Our goal was to create a clothing design tool as a Maya plugin. This is an image of our tool being run. It shows the 3D model and garment in the Maya scene, as well as the 2D textiles in our user interface. The 2D textiles both show the front and the back of the shirt, the front on the left and the back on the right, so that the user can edit them separately. The user can then make changes to the garment in either view, and our plugin will update both forms in real time.
In the fashion industry, there is a need to speed up the design process as it is an iterative process turning 2D textiles into 3D garments. Our tool addresses this need with the following features: bidirectional and real-time editing, an array of figures to model on, including male, female, or custom model, tools to edit the garment, including sewing, sloper, symmetry, and dart functions, and the ability to download the measurement specifications based on the target client's height.
This project was based on the paper Sensitive Couture for Interactive Garment Modeling and Editing. The paper was presented at the 2011 SIGGRAPH conference by Nobuyuki Umatani, Danny Kaufman, Takeo Igarashi, and Eitan Grinspan. In order to implement this paper, we used Python and Mel to create our plugin and user interface. We mapped the 2D textiles to the 3D garment through a Maya deformer node called BlendShape. We also used Maya's endcloth in order to simulate the draping of the garments on the model.
First, we show you how to import a model to the scene. In the Techie Tailor window, the user can select either the male or female model that will be directly imported into the scene. Our plugin provides these two models for the user. Another option is to import an arbitrary model. The user can import one of their own 3D models in their file browser to test the clothes on. The user will be asked to choose two vertices on the shoulders on the model, so that the shirt can be placed correctly onto it. In order to see how the cloth drapes on the 3D model, the user can press Drape Cloth and play the simulation on Maya's timeline. The sloper function allows the user to change the length of the garment in either the 2D or 3D view. Here you can see that while we're making changes in the 3D view, it is updating the 2D view in real time, and vice versa. The sewing function can be used to sew two edges together. Darts can be used to add curvature to the hemline of the shirt. The user is guided through this process with a series of pop-up messages instructing them on what to do. Here you can see the final result that comes from the dart function.
The symmetry function allows the user to copy geometry of their design from one side to the other. Here the user selects the geometry that they would like to mirror. The next pop-up asks the user on which axis they would like to mirror the geometry. The main goal of this program is that the user can translate their designs in the scene to the production process. Our download function makes this possible. When the user hits the download button, the pop-up message asks for the target client's height. Based on this, we calculate the correct measurements for the sleeves, length, width, waist, and neckline that will recreate the designs in real life. These measurements are saved in a text file called measurements.txt in the directory of the plugin. We now show you a quick run-through of our program.